Today, we're diving into the Cooler Master USA G700 Gold Power Supply, a 700W powerhouse boasting an 80+ gold efficiency rating. What does that mean for your PC build? Well, let's unpack it. First off, that gold certification ensures a typical efficiency of 90%, meaning you're getting more power out of your outlet and less heat generated, which is crucial for maintaining stability and longevity in your system. Now, let's talk compatibility. The G700 meets Intel ATX version 2.52 standards, so you're covered there. Plus, with 2 EPS connectors, you're set for compatibility with any motherboard on the market, present or future. No need to worry about upgrades or compatibility issues down the line. But what about noise? Nobody wants a jet engine humming away in their PC case. Fear not, the G700 comes equipped with a 120mm hydrodynamic fan bearing, ensuring quiet operation even under heavy loads. It's all about that balance between performance and peace of mind. And speaking of peace of mind, let's touch on durability. With high temperature resistance up to 40 degrees Celsius, this unit can handle whatever your system throws at it, even in warmer environments or during intense gaming sessions. Lastly, let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. The fixed flat black cables not only look sleek but also aid in cable management, keeping your build looking clean and professional. In conclusion, the Cooler Master USA G700 Gold Power Supply ticks all the boxes: efficiency, compatibility, quiet operation, durability, and aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or diving into your first build, the G700 is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.